Wake up to the best breakfast ever with this easy overnight coffee cake. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you delicious recipes and culinary inspiration. Today, we have a treat for all the coffee lovers out there. We're going to show you how to make a mouthwatering overnight coffee cake that's perfect for a delightful morning indulgence. So, let's get started. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup sour cream, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, chilled and cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 cup chopped nuts, optional. For the glaze: 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the sour cream and vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Grease a 9-inch square baking dish and pour the cake batter into it, spreading it evenly. In a small bowl, prepare the streusel topping by combining the flour, brown sugar, chilled butter pieces, and cinnamon. Use your fingers or a fork to cut the butter into the dry ingredients until crumbly. Stir in the chopped nuts if desired. Sprinkle the streusel topping evenly over the cake batter in the baking dish. Cover the dish with plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Remove the plastic wrap from the baking dish and bake the coffee cake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is cooling slightly, prepare the glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Drizzle the glaze over the warm coffee cake. Allow the cake to cool for a few more minutes before serving. And there you have it, our irresistible overnight coffee cake recipe. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes and cooking tips. And if you have any requests or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.